Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. It's almost back to school time, so today we are going to be making a back to school wreath. Okay, what you're going to need for today's wreath is a cute sign, and this is welcome back to school, or excuse me, it says welcome to class, and it has where you can put your name here, and we found this one at Target in the dollar spot, or the Bullseye Playground, $3. And we also found these at the dollar spot, this cute little wooden notebook for $1. It says gift topper. Cute little apple. My future is looking sharp with you as my teacher. So some of you may be wanting to make this as a gift for your child's teacher, or you may be wanting to make this for yourself for your classroom door. So we found all three of those, or actually all four of those things at Target. This is a 12-inch work wreath frame, and we got this one at Hobby Lobby, and it was $2.99, but we used a 40% off coupon. And then we also found some cute ribbon at Hobby Lobby. And it's 3/8 of an inch by 15 feet. And it was $1.99 each. And then you're going to need some 10-inch deco mesh for this wreath. And you'll want some pipe cleaners, your scissors, and your hot glue gun and glue sticks. So give us just a second. Okay, this is the 12-inch work wreath frame, and I usually use the Dollar Tree ones, which are 14-inch, so this one's just a little bit smaller. So what I did on the inner wire is I just placed a yellow pipe cleaner in each section. So 5 yellow pipe cleaners. And then on the outer wire, I've got one on each of the bars that go across, and then one in the center. So total of 10 of the green pipe cleaners. So you'll want 3 basically in each section, but the outer ones they share, if that makes sense. So anyways, 10 on the outer circle, on the inner circle, just 5 pipe cleaners. If your wreath is not as full as you want, you can always go back and add a few more pipe cleaners to make it fuller and fluffier. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is take your deco mesh and cut it into 10-inch squares. And you're going to want to do bundles of 3. So you're just going to take your deco mesh and just roll it up. And you can either hold it in your hand, or you can use a chip clip or a clothespin to hold it for you. Okay, so you're going to take your little bundle. It's hung up. Okay, so keep your bundle gathered in the center and go to your pipe cleaner and just stick it in between the pipe cleaner, push it down to the work wreath frame, and give it a few twists. Okay, and then just kind of fluff your rolls. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to put a bundle in each of our pipe cleaners until we have the wreath complete and full. Here it is with 2 rolls of the 10-inch deco mesh on it. So we went ahead and we had enough deco mesh to make 4 more bundles. So we went ahead and added 4 more bundles to the wreath, and this is how full it is with 2 complete rolls of deco mesh. So now we're ready to add some ribbon. Before we add the ribbon, we decided we needed to put pipe cleaners on the back of our apple and pencil and notebook paper. So my daughter just took a pipe cleaner and just gave it a little twist and a half, and then just added some hot glue. And we're going to let that sit for a while and dry. And I went ahead and put my welcome to class sign right in the center of my wreath. So when you add the sign, just make sure and pick up your bundles, your little rolls, and fluff them up so that it doesn't cover up your sign. And we just used the string that came on the sign to attach it. So I just attached it, or used the pipe cleaners that were at the top and just attached it on the left and the right side. So you can always add pipe cleaners to the back of your sign to make it more stable if you need to. Okay, we're going to start with our ribbon next. And this ribbon does not have wire in it. We couldn't find any with wire in it that had pencils or anything like that on it. Okay, you're going to want to cut your ribbon into about 12-inch strips. And then you're just going to pinch it in the middle, and you're going to want to find a pipe cleaner. Okay, and I'm going to put it in between this yellow one right here. And I'm just going to place it in the middle of the pipe cleaner and then give it a few twists. Okay, then you'll just want to kind of spread it out. But I'm going to go all the way around, adding the ribbon. Okay, I'm just going to take my apple and I'm going to find a spot in the wreath and thread the pipe cleaners through, and then I'll go give it a twist to the back. Okay. Okay guys, here's my wreath. Sorry if you hear something, it's my little chihuahua getting a drink. But I thought I was finished, but then I hung it up on my door and it was just too much yellow. And so I decided to get some green ribbon out, and so I'm going to go through and add a little bit of this ribbon right here. It does have wire in it. So I'm gonna add some green and see if I don't like it better. But I went back, I forgot to cut my ribbons at a slant, so I trimmed all of my ends of my ribbons. And I did add a wire to the back of this so it would stay in place. But I think I'm going to cut maybe some 12-inch strips with this ribbon and then just fold it in half, and then I'll find a pipe cleaner and give it a twist in. Now in the end, you'll want to take your wire cutters and cut off the pipe cleaners, or either fold them down so they don't show. Give me just a second, and I am going to cut some green pieces. Let me know if you like it all yellow, or if you think it's too much yellow, or if you think I need to add the green. Here's how it looks with the green added in. I think I like it better with the green. So let me know what you think. Do you like it better with the green or not? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like and share, and if you have not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.